This is Anker's PowerCore Magnetic 5K Portable Power Bank, and what it does is very simple, and it could be an incredibly useful accessory for you iPhone 12 owners out there. All you do is attach the power bank to your iPhone, and via the magnets in the phone, it automatically connects and just starts charging. That's it. I could probably end the video right now, but I'll give you a little bit more information about this new charger from Anker. In terms of size and feel, it feels like any other wireless charging bank that I've used, especially from Anker. It's made up of mostly plastic with some rubberish material coated around the plastic to make sure that it doesn't just slide right off your hand or, more importantly, off of your iPhone. It's pretty small and lightweight, which is great news if you plan on carrying this around with you, especially in your pocket. It's not super bulky or super heavy, and that's great also when it's attached to your iPhone. You won't notice a whole lot of extra bulk. The power bank charges via USB-C and has a charging battery light indicator next to the charging port and the power button. As far as battery capacity goes, well, it's named the 5K for a reason, as it holds up to 5,000 milliamp hours of additional battery to charge up your phone. And it charges your iPhone kind of slowly, which is unfortunate. It charges at 5 watts, but when you're in a pinch or you just need to top off, this is a pretty easy solution. As far as the magnets itself goes, well, it holds on pretty well, but not nearly as strong as something like when you have it connected to your phone with a case on it. Now, for reference, this is the iPhone leather case, the MagSafe one. I do really like this case for holding other MagSafe accessories. I feel like it does a great job, and I'd probably recommend going this route if you plan on using this charger a lot, because a little bit of a bump on your phone without the case on it, and it could kind of dislodge and maybe won't charge. But other than that, there really isn't a whole lot left to say. It charges your iPhone 12 Pro Max from 0 to 75%. If you have an iPhone 12 Pro, you can get to 95%. And if you're using a mini, you can get all the way up to 100%. And it can fit into your pocket for when it's not in use. It's definitely something that you should probably consider picking up and putting in your bag for whenever you need a cable-free charging experience while on the go. One last little side note, yes, this accessory does work with any other Qi-enabled phone, but you're not going to have that magnetic attachment unless you have some sort of case on it that allows it to charge through the case and has some sort of magnet to it. Other than that, it's gonna work if you put it on flat table and just put the phone on top of it. Like you see here with this iPhone 8, it obviously charges just fine, but again, it's on a table. If I bump it just a little bit, it might knock it off the coil and you'll lose the whole charging function. So just something to keep in mind. But again, I would love to know your thoughts on this product in the comments down below. I think at $40, it's something that you probably should just pick up and keep in your purse or your bag, or maybe even in your pocket if you really need to top off quickly. Before we end today's video, I do want to give you more information about today's sponsor, OWC. When the Mac Pro was announced, Apple put up a set of wheels for the computer for an additional $700, which is crazy. And OWC made their own set of wheels, the Rover Pro Wheels, and those are only $199, and they literally go on in just a few seconds. There's no tools required, they simply connect to the existing legs, and everything is secured with just a few simple twists. This unique patent-pending design is super elegant with stainless steel all over, and you don't need to worry about the stainless steel from the legs scratching your factory stainless steel because, well, the silicone rubber does a great job of protecting your now mobile tower. Again, these are wheels after all, and now you can quietly and safely transport your Mac Pro from room to room hassle-free. If you're a Mac Pro owner out there, you need to check these out ASAP, and you can do so by clicking the link in the description down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.